Myself Aparanjani Priyadarshini, and we are continuing the Bootstrap tutorial. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, click on bell button, share and comment your doubts and like this video. In the last class, we have seen the display headings and also the paragraph text, that is font style, sizes. And now in this video, we are going to be learning about nav tag. So for nav tag, take new application, that is Bootstrap 17 HTML. 17 is already there, 18 I am taking, and HTML :5. This is nav tag, and here link Bootstrap so here let me copy all the plugins also. For nav it's not required, but even though we will take, okay, first we will see. We will see here. Simply I'm going to write UL tag. In this UL tag I'm taking a nav class. Inside this li, in this nav items, and in this anchor tag with nav hyphen link, and here I am writing home. Let me complete this. Repeat the same code. So home, about us, here contact us, next is gallery. Now let me browse and check. See here, that's it. Only this we can do using the nav bar, nav tag, with nav tag. But in Bootstrap we have another class that is called nav bar also. So for that, in the same, here only I am going to use. So here only I'll write the change, you can come to know. So with nav tag only we need to use of class nav bar, and a nav bar hyphen expand. This expand is default class which is going to be create the nav with all the options which you want to display on the nav bar. It is going to be created. Unless you give this class, the nav bar is not going to be. We will see without this also. Let me complete this. Nav bar light and BG color, that is the background color is light. Inside this, I'll take a div of container fluid, because the navbar complete web page you need, and here I am taking one link which is navbar brand. You can take brand, or otherwise we will take this later, and first we will create the elements. Okay, so this we'll take aside, and in this first we will take the what we can take, whatever the items are there in the nav elements, that we are going to be copy and paste the bottom. Okay, first we will see what will be the output you'll get. See, one bar, it is already created. On this we need a brand. Okay, let me start with the brand only, because all these are necessary in this. So here we'll write a bar with a brand name, and here okay, so here nav bar brand, and after this the brand name, or otherwise image also you can use, logo like. So here image I am using image, and the same image we will take, that is images, and let me take this, and here the height, we'll change the height. So because this picture is very, height is more, so we are going to be changing the height 50. Okay, width also we will change, this is also 50, and here you can write the text also, logo and the name of that. So we will take online, the name of the company or website or whatever it may be. So I'm writing online classes. This is the name of brand as well as the logo, we can say. Then after this you can create one button. So here I'm creating one button with a class navbar toggle, and this is a button, and here toggle, it's not toggle, and out of this we need to write the type is equal to button, and here this is a navbar toggle. So data hyphen bs hyphen toggle is equal to collapse. So collapse, and here data hyphen bs hyphen target, where it should target. Target is equal to, you can give here the name of the navbar, it can be anything you can give, and here I am writing the navbar target hash navbar supported content. Okay, then here you take the area label is equal to toggle, so controls is equal to navbar, the name what you have given there, that only you need to write here, supported content, and expand is false, you can write it, expand, that is the tag, the nav bar is going to be expanding, that I'm going to write a false. Then the label of this is equal to, then toggle you can take, toggle navigation, and inside this let me take a span, and we will write here a class called nav bar hyphen toggler icon, you can write it. The icon is going to be given, and here button is going to be closed. So now we will create the nav bar here, nav items. After this, the button is going to be created. After this, let me write here, okay, let me write here toggler icon. So after the button, we'll take a div of collapse and another class navbar collapse, and id, the name, what name we have taken, that name we should write here, because here only we are creating the navbar. Till now we have used the brand name and the button on that we have created. Now here take UL tag and navbar hyphen nav. In this take margin, auto, and bottom we'll take 2, and MD for large we can take 1, 2, 0 also we can take, we will take 0 here. Now we will use here li nav item. So this nav item, inside this nav item, let me take a nav link, and if this is active, well and good, otherwise no need. So I'll take this as a active first, later we will change this also, that's nothing great on this. So here you take one attribute, that is current is equal to page, that's the current page, and here li has been closed. So let me check whether it has given the output or not. Now see the logo and name of the website or company and home. Similarly, you can use all the other nav items also. Just I'm copying and pasting this one. Copy and paste. Okay. Copy, paste. So this is home and this is about us, contact us, gallery. Now see, this nav bar is light and this is dark, automatically it is going to be displayed. So if you want any colors also you can take. Now at the bottom you can create the search bar also, but that search bar till now we have not covered the form elements, so those in the form elements it will come. So that also we can see, and we after this session we will go for the forms also. So form also we will see. After this I want a search bar, so simply you can use a form and display flex class. This action is not required for now, later we can use. So input tag I'm taking, and it is a type of search, and name you can write some name, that is ss I'm taking. ID also you can take, ss, anything you can take it. And class I am using here form control. So this in Bootstrap each form element must be controlled with the form control. And here let me take the margin, and here I have not taken the name, so placeholder I am writing search, and let me write Arial label is equal to search only. I write search, and here I want a button also. Only search block is not enough, so button btn class btn hyphen outline success I'm taking. Okay, and here let me take the type is equal to submit we will use, because in the search bar we will use the submit only. Search. Now see here search bar button. Outline I have taken, when I am hovering the color is going to be displayed. Here you can write. Okay, so this is about the nav bar. Here we can see that the drop down menus for this also. For nav bar normally drop down menus will be there. So this drop down menu, how to create for this drop down nav bar, how to create the drop down menus. Let me check here nav bar. So this is a nav bar. No, whatever I have shown you. See brand, company, product name, bar, nav is going to be full height, lightweight navigation, and toggler uses for collapse plugins, and flexes for the controlling actions, nav text, collapse navbar collapse, grouping and hiding navbar content by a parent breaking. Additional operations, scroll, height, all this you can see. See here the fluid navbar. Okay, so here for link, here they have taken one link. So instead of home link, for this link I need drop down menu. After this we need to create drop down nav item drop down. So I want to create the drop down for this. So create this, and in a link you write down nav link drop down toggle. Outside this ID you can give drop down nav bar drop down, and outside this you need to write data bs toggle is equal to drop down, and expand false you can take it. And for this drop down Menu, to create the menu, again use the UL tag drop down menu and give the name label and items, each item in LI anchor tag you can use, and divider like breadcrumbs we have seen the divider, same drop down divider or line is going to be given here, something else. So the same thing you can copy and paste also, it will work, or otherwise you can create also. So here let me copy first and we will see whether it is going to be working or not. So in the same navbar I am using. So after this I am copying. So here a link and here drop down. Okay, here plugins we have not used. So we need to use the plugins here. See, plugins are not there. So I told you already the plugins is necessary for navbar. Nav is not necessary for nav, but for navbar we required it. So I'm going to use this one. This or this, any one you can take it. So let me copy this, or otherwise I will take the introduction, start. This I'm going to take up to here. I'm copying and I'm pasting here after the nav tag before the body. Now see, check here. See, so the bundle plugin is required, that is a popper. Without popper the nav bar is not going to be activated. So now this is about your nav and nav bar. In the next video we will see the other topic. Thank you.